Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer your Modic tokens from Crypto.com to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're building your DeFi portfolio or just exploring the Polygon network, this step-by-step tutorial will get you sorted quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Crypto.com account set up and MetaMask installed on your device. If you haven't added the Polygon network to MetaMask yet, that's step 1. Open MetaMask, click on the network dropdown, and select Add Network. Enter the Polygon mainnet details. Name it Polygon mainnet. Set the RPC URL to https://rpc-mainnet.maticvigil.com. Chain ID to 137, and the currency symbol to Modic. Hit Save, and you're good to go. Now, head over to your Crypto.com app or website and log in. Navigate to your wallet section and find your Modic balance. Tap or click on it to access the withdrawal options. You'll need to select Withdraw and choose the blockchain network. Make sure it's set to Polygon or ERC20, depending on your setup. Next, copy your MetaMask wallet address. In MetaMask, click on your account icon to copy the address, then paste it into the withdrawal field on Crypto.com. Double-check that address. It's easy to mess up and lose your funds. Enter the amount of Modic you want to transfer and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Verify that too. Now, switch back to MetaMask and keep an eye on your account. The transfer should show up in your transaction history within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the official apps and double-check for phishing sites. If you run into any issues, like delayed transfers, check the Polygon Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Modic from Crypto.com to MetaMask in 2025. It's that simple. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.